And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 39. Let me show you how you can create a shield. We just go back to our corners option because sometimes these basic shapes, they hide in other shapes. In this case, we use a polygon. We make it 6 corners, so a hexagon. Hold Control when you drag it and then put one of these corners to the top. Let me copy that, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'm going to keep one as a reference. The other one I select, I go to Path, Path Effects, and use the corners. Now I activate the Nodes tool and I simply drag this circle up and this one down. And you can already see where the shield is. And if I drag this one down, we also have a curve on top. If you want this to have a different curve angle, you can simply drag it a little bit upwards again. But this is already it. So this shield icon, it kind of hides in a hexagon. And using the corners option, you can easily create that in seconds. You don't have to use the pen tool. You don't have to be careful drawing that by hand. And you can be sure that it is symmetrical, so the curves on left and right hand side have the same angle. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.